8 o'clock in the morning. And I'm sitting out here having a smoke. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We put the hummingbird feeder out a couple of days ago. Just the kind of day we're having. And what it looks like. And the hummingbirds live up in the pine tree up there. I thought we'd just sit here for a few minutes and take in the sights and see if our birds will come and visit us. Usually if I make an appearance and I say, come out, and they also tend to like the smell of weed. So, in the interest of science and for the birds, what we do is for the birds, we want to have a little puff, and then we're going to show you what happens. You cannot hold this dang thing still enough. There we go. I can learn to go slow enough for this camera to give it time. I can hold the thing to right. We just sit here for a few minutes and you can watch. 8 o'clock in the morning, half coffee down. I've been up since 5, quarter to 5. It was really satisfying when I made the hummingbird nectar. And it's really important that you make the right nectar for these birds. There's no red dye in this nectar. It's just the plastic feeder that's red. That's really important. Red dye is really poisonous to the birds, to us, to everything on planet Earth. Probably only Martians can do that stuff. So I just thought I'd sit here for a couple of minutes and just enjoy the rain and in the moment I walked out and was trying to incriminate the neighbor's dog, Titus. 'cause you ought to come out and bark underneath my daughter's bedroom door between 7 and 9 a.m. every morning for 6 years. So, sometimes, you know, so you gotta, if you work in the graveyard shift, you gotta wait your poor sweet ass until after Titus and his bitch attached to his leash finishes their morning tromp through our houses. Options. But choose to do this. Oh, they've been asked. We've tried many times. Yeah, and we've invited them for drinks and barbecues and suppers and all sorts of interesting things. But nay, you're just cunts. It's funny. Well, she is. She prompts them. She does it on purpose. Oh, it's freezing cold. It's snowing a few feet, and if we were any higher up the slope, it'd be snowing. All kinds of weather advisories and whatnot. And so, I sit here going, well, what shall we learn to do today, kids? What are we gonna do today, Breen? Say good morning to the crows and hope that Canuck flies by. And you see his little band. Canuck and his band of sky gypsies. Coming from the morning roost. This is a flight plan for lots of the higher flyers. We get a lot of eagle action here too, on account of the elevation. We're up the south slope of Burnaby, and it's pretty cool. We're looking due south right now. Magnetic south, magnetic north, directly behind us. So it's really cold. But as soon as I put the feeder out 2 days ago, within 30 seconds, I went, come get your juice. And two of them flew down together and they romantically sat there together and had breakfast. And I don't feed the wild animals except for the hummingbirds, and sometimes I'll put sourdough crumbs out for the other little birdies, because, you know, it gets pretty cold and they could use a little bit of love. Sometimes I'll put some suet soaked crumbs out for them. Suet bacon or ham or you know, any kind of I'll give them chicken fat too sometimes. It's not very nice to feed the birds chicken fat, I thought, but whatever. It's some protein for them. And we'll dig up worms and mash them up for them, eh? Birdie pate. I think they can do that themselves. But the hummingbirds, I'll have a hard time catching flowers this time of year. Anyways, I'm also shaky. Oh, there you go. There's hummingbird sightings. As soon as I turn the camera off, they'll all come. It'll be crazy, cool, right? And that's the way it goes. That's the way love goes, babe.